Hi, as I stated in my previous videos, anyone can become a data scientist. Let's see how to unearth the data scientist in you. Here I am going to talk about few examples, but you can relate this to your day-to-day work. Suppose you are a HR for an organization. You talk to random people, you get their opinions and summarize the issues or the strengths of the organization or the requirements of the employees and report it to management. There you are solving a NLP. Suppose you love watching sports. In this case, I love watching cricket. You keep a track of how many wickets that particular bowler took, how many Yorkers he bowled, along with the game that you enjoy. So you are keeping numbers and summarizing. Maybe you are doing a data analysis over there. Suppose you are a medical representative and visiting doctors is your success rate, and you keep a track of how many visits you made last few months, and you identified factors contributing to that successful visits, maybe the time you visit, rapport that you built with the doctors. So you are working on improving these factors to get more successful visits, applying a regression model over there. Suppose you are organizing an event and you identified people who can help you to organize, who can engage or entertain the crowd, who can take care of refreshments, who can fund the event. Basically, you segmented people into different buckets. It's a classical classification issue that you solve. Maybe let's suppose you are just an employee and you wanted to improve your chances of getting a promotion this year. You added efficiencies to the process that you work. You are bringing your team together, delivering outputs on time. You are motivating colleagues. Despite of the current pandemic, you still wanted to improve your chances of getting a promotion. Here you are treating outlier, which is pandemic, also trying to improve your chances of getting a promotion. Classical response model. Now you are a parent, you promised something to your kid, you couldn't make it because of current situation. You had a conversation with him and made him understand, but bought something else and still you made him happy. Storytelling. Day in, day out, we come across these kind of situations where a data science is applied at a small scale. Now think about business situation you are in, where you can apply data science and improve the performance of the business. I am sure you will be successful. Happy learning.